In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a website with a full screen video background using Webflow 2018. We'll start inside the Webflow designer and turn a plain canvas into a captivating edge-to-edge motion background that's clean, responsive, and easy to control. First, open your project in the designer so you're looking at the page where you want the effect. It can be your home page or any section that needs strong visual impact. Make sure you're on the correct page in the Pages panel before moving on. Next, open the Add panel on the left. This is the plus icon where all the core elements live. We're going to use Webflow's built-in background video component, which handles playback and looping for you without any custom code. Find background video in the list and add it to your canvas. You can click it or drag it right where you want it. The element will drop in as a block you can size and position, and it's designed to sit behind other content if you want headlines or buttons on top. With the background video selected, click Show All Settings. This reveals the upload controls and playback options. Here's where you'll wire up the actual file and fine-tune behavior. Now, customize it. Upload the video you want to use. Ideally, a short, seamless loop to keep loading fast. Use a reasonably compressed MP4 or WebM and keep the file size modest for better performance. Add a poster image as well. This displays while the video loads and on devices that don't autoplay video. Enable loop and autoplay and be sure to keep sound muted. Most browsers only autoplay muted video, so this ensures consistent playback. To make it truly full screen, size the element to fill the viewport. Set width to 100% and height to 100 VH, and make sure the video fits using cover so there are no black bars. Place it at the top of your layout so it anchors the page hero. If you plan to stack content on top, keep the background video as the bottom layer and set your text or buttons above it for legibility. Consider adding a subtle overlay color using your normal styling controls. When you're done, use Preview to check playback across breakpoints, then return to the designer to make any quick adjustments. That's it. Your full screen video background is live. Congratulations and enjoy the new motion-driven look.